Amandla. Awethu. Viva MK, viva. Viva Moses Mabhida, viva. Viva 15th of December, viva. Hashtag. Amandla.
Okay, question number tickets. Ever since khona amatekisi nakhona the same strategy fana ubhalisa uyibona ngani itekisi ethi iya MK uyibona kanjani yabona phela maningi ama taxi azothi iya eMabhida so manje izo zonke lezi zinto abashisha amabhasi futhi ukuthi ke nakhona amabhasi amasipala azotholakala kanjani azobeka kuma-VD abo isha amatekisi nakhona kuthiwa ngamatekisi amahala umuntu uzoyibona kanjani ukuthi le tekisi iye eMabhida MK angathi umuntu uzobona into bayibona kanjani umuntu ozeMoses Mabhida MK le transport le iteka khona zamatekisi iye eMabhida and imahala namabhasi
Danke ngombuzo. No njoba ngisho into enkulu ewukhiye kukona konke i-registration. Uma ngabe uregistile usemalistini aya eMoses Mabhida uzoba ne-stop la i-VD yonke iyivumelene ukuthi la kule VD sithathwa khona. Ngenza nje umzekelo ngami mina ngihlala eWard 94 i-VD yami iHabiyana. So there's going to be a hotspot la iHabiyana izobe ihlangana khona ukuthi bazoyipick up khona whether babhalisela ukungena etaxini or babhalisela ukungena ebhasini but labo bantu labo bazobe bene stop labo bezobe bepick up khona. So itekisi ngeke ihambe yehla ngomgaqo ihamba ikhomba ishaya ihoot ithatha abantu abaye eMoses Mabhida but it will go straight to a certain spot la izofika ipick up khona abantu bese yabathatha balethe eMoses Mabhida. And if kunjalo then akekho umuntu ozobe efuna imali uma usungenile etaxini o 15 rand o 25 rand na zonke lezi imali lezi no kulelo langa nje umkhonto wena ubalekile awukhokho yakuphela eMoses Mabhida uyo celebrate kuphela iloko esikufunayo.
So umuntu osuke ezululeni ngoba phela kule ndawo ngapha ngestrike if just in case istrike isiqhubeka we are not sure isizophela nini ikhona noma plans mhlawumbe just in case kuba khona istrike isiqhubeka abantu abasokuzululeni kakhulu zendawo ngapha nje kakhulu ama-Texas Cable Station engasebenzi yonke le ndawo ya lokho inyukayo ukuthi indlela mhlawumbe ikhona nama-arrangement enhleli just in case siqhubeka ikhona indlela ezokwazi ukwenza ngathi bagcine befikile because abantu they are looking forward to come to Moses Mabhida ever since this media for KZN.
Ubuza umbuzo omuhle uyabona nje we sitting with almost 10,000 wama comrade aseZululand who are registered kuma list as a Moses Mabhida. The numbers are still growing because Zululand promised almost 20,000 wabantu abeza abasuka eZululand. Namanye ama regions all the way kuyaphansi go South Coast go Lower South Coast ugu region Herigwala phezulu koXhopo namanye ama areas. So iwari ye long distance sinayo well ke into ze GNU mos uyayazi GNU asifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu ngayo lana asifuna izinto ezosicasula sifuna ukukhuluma izinto eziprogressive eziyaphambili. No iMK njoba sihlela lama transport esiwahlelayo these are private organized transportations ezingazile ukuzophazamisa uhlelo lwabafowethu baka public transport and siyabaseka emfunweni zabo nasendleleni yokusebenza kwabo asifuna ukuthi siphazamisane nabo njengomkhonto wesizwe and we will continue to respect them for as long as belwela into abayibonayo ukuthi iyadinga ukuthi ilwelwe ngeke thina simendleleni yabo futhi ngeke sibaphazamise but inhlelo zamabhasi njoba zizoya straight kuma VDs asifuni futhi ukuthi ziphazamisane nabo ngoba abanye abantu bangagcina sebefaka imoto bethi hayi siya eMoses Mabhida kanti behamba becoshana la emgaqweni into esingayazi thina okwethu nje abantu balandwa kuma VDs iZululand King Cetshwayo wonke lama regions kuze kuyoshaya phansi kuthukela Majuba phansi eNyukhasela wonke lama regions zikhona inhlelo zama transport and lezo inhlelo lezo ziorganized ngokuthi umuntu ungene elistini uma SSListini kune sport azothathwa kusona leso sport leso esiVD ngokujwayelekile. So yilo lohlelo lesebenza ngalo ukuze kungabe bikhuvanzi lwabantu ekuthiwa hayi sesiyasuka manje sesiyolanda usibanibani sesiyasuka manje sesiyolanda usibanibani. Transport isuka la isuka khona ima kuVD ithatha abantu aba organized aba kuVD abaziwayo bangene bakhala ebhasini ziyahamba.
Bengicela uku-add nje before uqhubeke mfowethu. In any transport like a taxi or a bus, there's going to be some kind of identifier ezoprintwa umkhonto wesizwe. And also, kulabantu obusibona satama list will have some kind of a tag that link them with their transport, so that will make it easier ukuthi umuntu athole transport yakhe. Coming to the issue of long distance, I think that's why leadership is eyaqhamuka ne-issue yeyitimela, because there's some kind of problem with the long distance. So as they say, itimela zobe iqhamuka from all walks of life in South Africa to try and assist in this regard. So there will be an identifier in terms of this is the taxi that goes to Mapida, and also some kind of a tag. Because even in the stadium, abantu bazobe behleli ngama t-shirts based on where they are coming from. So it tells you which there is a linkage in terms of getting abantu which babe united in one spot, so that bengezukwazi ukulahlekelana. Why immobilization transport team was removed from the mobilization was for the very same fact ukuthi abantu bayalahlekelana bagcina abantu sebesala eMabhida abanye bengasabuyi and so on and so forth. So we are specifically there to ensure that everybody gets transport back home.
The overflow, because the way izinto engibuka ngazo, there will be overflow yabantu so bebaningi. Ngicabanga ukuthi most Mabhida if ngiyi-20 bala zam light indayesha 8,000 wabantu. Obviously
68,000.
68,000. Obviously usumqala wangibhalela u20,000 oqhamuka eZululand assumption. So indlela ikhona iplan overflow ukuthi ke just in case engifikile mhlawumbe sifike late asangenalo 60,000. So i-overflow iplan although ngicela ukuthepa in laba abangekho la mhlawumbe ikhona information enawo for more mhlawumbe overflow ikhona iplan yayo.
No, definitely. We are aware ukuthi ibalo zizoba more than what we have anticipated. As you know, it is going to be a choker blocker on that day. I'm not sure if they are ready enough to receive umkhonto wesizwe. As you know, we number third party in South Africa, biggest party in South Africa. It tells you ukuthi, and there's an excitement for very many people that want to come there. Even as always brings so you can understand ukuthi issue overflow is not even a question. It has to be done. So there's People's Park that is there. There are arrangements to cater for those things and so on and so forth. Ebengacela nje mina ukuthi kuphela abantu abavuka as early as they can to go to Mapida, so that you don't have a disappointment whereby, because into ezokwenzeka once it's full amaphoyisa azomisa wonke umuntu lapha ekhona babacela baphindele emuva. So if you want to get in, make sure you are there in time. That's my take.
Akho phoyisa la jikisa abantu bomkhonto la.
It will be a problem.